cruise thing, baby. Track master, rock on.
It's a deluxe jacuzzi room at the Miccosukee Casino and Resort. And let's get into this review. All right, you guys, this is our room tour. We're in room 426. When you first walk in, it's a little table and picture. Someone to put your luggage. We don't have that much stuff because we're not staying for long. Here is a closet. They give you one robe, a safe, extra pillows and blankets. We're gonna come around to the room. We got a wet bar, coffee maker, microwave, and a refrigerator. This is I'll have the name of what kind of suite this is listed in the video. That's just under the sink. Then we have a king size bed. This is the TV and stand. Then we're gonna go into the bathroom. This is the shower. Nice big shower. This is the sinks, double sinks, towels. The little toilet area has a little phone and window area. And then we have a hot tub. And the hot tub is surrounded by mirrors. And it is very, very deep. And they have the stairs where you can come up the stairs. There's a little lamp right here. The whole area, and I'm gonna give you a full view of the room. They have a little seating area, and there's really not a view outside. The view we have for this suite is just the front of the casino. This is the ice chest right here that they give you. It's made out of leather. It's nice. A little ice chest. And they also give you the tongs and cups. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you're ever in Miami and you want to visit this hotel, I'll have all the information down at the bottom. Thank you for watching. Bye.
She caps over. I got a smoking beanies, modeling bikinis, pushing your whip on the bed.